Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I want to learn you how to coughing correctly. Many people coughing is like this. It's wrong because if you coughing with your hand like this, later your hand touch your face and the virus will go to the face. Now I want to tell you the directly now how to do it. Close your mouth or nose like this. Behind your elbow or not, you use mask, not a tissue, okay? But don't on items like computer, mouse, paper, or not. Anything we always touch because later people will touch the item, so people get the virus too. Okay, that's all for my lesson today. Remember, always use mask, stay healthy, stay safe, stay home. Okay, see you. Bye bye.